Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to levitate smoke bubbles with my bubble gun. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is baking soda and vinegar, my bubble gun, Dawn dish detergent, an 1800 milliliter beaker, and a small container for my bubble solution. The first step is to add a little bit of Dawn dish detergent to some water in your container and just stir it up, and that's your bubble solution. Next, line the bottom of your beaker with baking soda, and you're going to react sodium bicarbonate, that's baking soda, with vinegar, which is acetic acid. And that's a double displacement reaction that will make sodium acetate and carbonic acid, which will then immediately decompose into carbon dioxide gas. Now you're ready to add your vinegar, and this will create a lot of carbon dioxide inside your container, which is more dense than the air around it, and so that carbon dioxide gas will just settle inside your container. You don't even have to cover it. And now we're ready to test our smoke bubbles to see if our smoke bubbles can float on that layer of carbon dioxide. Look at that, it is just floating right in the middle of the beaker, right on that layer of carbon dioxide gas that's even more dense than the smoke bubble. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna zoom in on that bubble. Look at that. It is just floating on that layer of CO2. Let's see if I can get another one in there. Oh, it exploded. Let's try another one. Look at that. It is just floating there. Okay, let's talk about what's going on in this cool reaction. We start out with the reactants, sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid. The sodium bicarbonate is the NaHCO3, and the acetic acid is C2H4O2. Remember, this is baking soda and vinegar. This is an endothermic double displacement reaction that creates the product sodium acetate, that's the C2H3NaO2, and water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.